Hello from Chinatown, Singapore. Gonna explore this place today for a while. You know, in front is the Chinatown street market. Lots of souvenirs, right? And some nice ice cream. It was raining just now. So, yeah, the rain has stopped. That's a good thing. Mission Heritage Collection Apartment. Apart hotel. There's a hotel here. Wow, that's nice. You know, daytime explore and nighttime exploring is the kind of different feel. Daytime you can see everything so clearly, but nighttime you have the lights coming up, everything. Oh, look at the Chinatown Heritage Center on the left side. And lots of more foreigners right here. Uncover the origins of Chinatown when stories come alive. You know what statue it is? Some sweet women. Like the coolie, they work hard the very early 1900s. Chinatown Heritage Center. You gotta buy ticket to go in though. I think it's $35 Singapore dollars if I remember correctly. I went in once before. There are lots of exhibits at the first floor and the second floor. And right here with the Amacha. Launching 13th Feb. Very happy with oat milk. Singapore first herbal milk tea store. You know, many Amos like to come here and hang out. Foreigners like to buy some drink and sit here, especially at night. There's a nice Terra Cafe here. And that side, you can actually can go to the Bulatu Red Temple and the Indian Sri Raman Temple. Sri Raman. Oh, there's a JB Mosque as well. So it's multicultural and religious. And this side you look at the 335 Smith Street, which is a Chinatown complex. Alright, beautiful houses. Some houses over there, and then this is a Sri Mariamman Indian temple. You gotta leave your shoes outside before you go. You can put it on the shelf there. It's okay, both. Oh, they have the costume for you to try or something. Or the cover up for the top. Now it's open in 1827. Oh, they can solemnize the Hindu marriages. And they are well known for the fireworking ceremony held every October or November. Some beautiful murals right here. And from here you can see the Vipas complex, the red building, Central Fang, and the Indian temple as well as some tourists. A nice woody shop here. Oh. And we have some BBQ box and restaurant. Pure pandan. I'm more just try the pandan cake in the Thai Medical Hall. Now we have reached a new street. Very interesting. There's a Nanyang Old Coffee. We were looking for it the other day, and it wasn't open, but now it's open. I wonder anyone stay upstairs. Oh, holy man! There's a coffee museum right here. Free for level 2 customers. Singapore Living Gallery. You know, there's a museum here. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, and then there's popular store in front. Kokili. Number 2 Spring Street. They sell a lot of pastries. And of course, not forgetting the famous Konamura. You want to try some durian. He's holding a piece of durian. Can you see the butt of the Cai Shen Ye climbing up the stair there? So over there we have the Wentongji, the Wentongji chicken rice. And the people are having their meal right here. More soy sauce. You won't go spend. There's a lot at that corner. Or she got climbing up the staircase, meet his girlfriend or something, and lots of ammo coming. Grandpa durian. Is it owned by a grandpa, an uncle or something? And before that there's a wisdom. It's so corny, right? We have Ota here and more. Body view, land view, durian platters, grandpa durian. You can dine outside or inside, man. Looks nice. What a name, man. S&T Coke Milk Coffee. Okay, you can rent rooms right here. Imagine staying right here at the heart of Chinatown. Jixiang Shifang. I think most of this is China. Oh yeah, Sichuan boiled fish. The China food. Dongbei Cai, Chuan Cai. I don't know since when the Sichuan restaurant came to Singapore, the China restaurant. Maybe it's a few years ago, or maybe up to 10 years. Look at the lanterns. It also proved that the Singaporeans actually they don't mind eating the China dishes. And I believe there's a China community right here in Singapore. Lots of people like trying out the China dishes and they're quite happy. Here you guys ever try Malayan ice cream? Malayan iconic symbol statue of Singapore tourism and my little coconut drink. There's an iconic Starbucks here called Simbaker in Chinese. It's very atas. And this is a Chinatown night street, and check out the roasted chestnut. There's some new durians as well. What a music, man. The Hong Kong Cantonese music. Lion Club Studio. Got a souvenir right here, man. And even the fans. More durians over here. They give the glove as well to eat. Use the glove to use with the durians so your hand doesn't get dirty. LG means Singapore. So LG gift shop means Singapore gift shop. Some Buddhist items. There's a framing service and the 3D art. Thai restaurant. Oh, the lights are coming on. Now it's very like memorizing. Very special. Money Changer Terra Cafe. What's Amo here? They like to see and watch the crowd. They were there around 1 hour ago and they were still here. Are still here in Chinatown Heritage Center. This street is full of foreigners and restaurants. During Chinese New Year, it's super crowded. You can barely squeeze in, man. There will be people jostling you around, pushing you also. And there are some massage here also. First Beauty Spa. And Li Zhenxiang, BBQ pork.